Hello everyone. In this module, we will discuss about reaction of metal with non-metals. Here we will discuss about the formation of ionic compound through transfer of electron, and we will be representing the electron dot structure. So when we talk about ionic compound, means the compound which is formed through the formation of ions. Let us take one example. Sodium chloride. If I write sodium chloride, and from the formula you can see sodium chloride is NaCl, and NaCl consists of two ions. One is your sodium ion and another one is your chloride ion. So when we are going to show the formation of ionic compound by the reaction of metal with non-metal, sodium is a metal, chlorine is a non-metal. Sodium forms a sodium ion, chlorine forms your chloride ion. So in this module we will discuss how your sodium ion is formed, how your chloride ion is formed, and above all we will be representing it through electron dot structure, and we will be showing the transfer of electron for the formation of an ionic compound. So in standard 9 you all have studied about the electronic configuration of different atoms. So here also we'll apply the same concept. Let us take the example of sodium chloride. As you know, sodium is having the electronic configuration 281, and as you know, sodium can easily donate one of the electron and it can get converted into sodium ion, and it acquires the electronic configuration of 2 and 8, and it releases one of the electron. So the first step is to show the formation of the cation. In an ionic compound, the first is their cation followed by the anion, and we will show the formation of anion, that is your chlorine having electronic configuration 287. It receives one electron and gets converted into chloride ion, that is 288. Now once we have shown the formation of sodium ion and chloride ion, our next aim is to show how this transfer of electron takes place from sodium to chlorine, and sodium chloride is formed, that will represent through the electron dot structure. So when I say electron dot structure, is nothing but we will be representing the valence shell electron of that particular atom through dot or through cross. So in order to distinguish between sodium and chlorine, the valence shell electron of sodium will be representing through dot and chlorine through cross. So what will be the electron dot structure of sodium? It's simple, Na 1 dot, because it contains only one electron in its valence shell. Similarly for chlorine, it will be 6 287, so we will have 7 cross, and we will be representing in this manner the dot structure. This is for sodium, this is for your chlorine. The valence shell electron we are representing. So once you know the representation of electron dot structure, now let us show how these electrons are getting transferred and an ionic compound is formed. The third step is to show the transfer of electron. How we will show that? We will take sodium 1 dot plus Cl, will represent it the 7 cross, and I will be showing here the transfer through an arrow, curved arrow. We will give the arrow mark here. Sodium gets converted into Na plus, and chloride is getting converted into Cl minus. So this is how we will represent, as it has received one electron, so Na plus Cl minus. So this is how you can show the formation of ionic compound through transfer of electron. First step, show the formation of cation. Second step, show the formation of the anion. Third step, you show the transfer of the electron for the formation of the compound. We will take another example. So let us take the example of formation of magnesium chloride. So magnesium chloride is MgCl2. From the formula of the compound you can know that we have magnesium ion and we have chloride ion. That means our aim is to show the formation of magnesium ion followed by the formation of chloride ion. Then we will show how the electrons are getting transferred from magnesium to chlorine. So magnesium, if you see, the distribution will be magnesium Mg282. It can easily lose 2 electron, that gets converted into 2 plus 2 8 and 2 electrons. Chlorine, as we have already shown that formation, 2 8 7 plus 1 electron, that gets converted into chloride, 2 8 8. Here you need not to worry. Here 2 electrons, but here only 1 electron. Many times students get confused. Here already 2 electron, that means here we must show 2 electron. Not necessary. Our aim is to show how magnesium ion is formed and how your chloride ion is formed. Once these 2 steps are over, we will go for the third step. So we will be representing the third step and will represent the electron dot structure of magnesium and chlorine. Magnesium 2 dot, magnesium chloride, 2 chlorine atoms are involved. So 1 chlorine I will write at the top, another chlorine I will write just below. One of the electron of magnesium goes to the first chlorine, another electron goes to the second one. Magnesium in that process becomes Mg2 plus. Then about chlorine, minus as 2 chlorine, MgCl2. So this is how you can go for showing the formation of ionic compound through transfer of electron, and this is what we say reaction between metal and non-metals, and they form an ionic compound. I hope it is clear to all of you.